because I know that most of you are business owners and entrepreneurs, and you may be looking for an exit plan, thinking of retirement on the beach, or maybe you're just thinking about moving on to another venture. How are you going to sell the current business and move on to the next one? I think you might like this idea a little bit. It was something that I hadn't heard of. It's taking the structured settlement idea, but moving it into something that you can do for a sale for your business. It's called a structured installment sale. I'm not even going to get into it. I'm going to let Simon do the rest.
Structured installment sale allows the buyer to purchase the business or property at that time, a one-time deal, but the seller receives future guaranteed payments from a major life insurance company.
Okay.
So the advantage for the seller is twofold. One, they get guaranteed income. A lot of sellers are used to, and business owners, whether it be a single business owner or multi-business owners, are used to getting income from their business. And providing that guaranteed income over a number of years gives them the opportunity to keep getting paid from their business after they sold it. The other advantage is the tax advantage of doing it. There are obviously tax consequences of selling a business if it's profitable and you've made money in the business, and those tax consequences can be substantial. And by deferring that taxable obligation over a period of years, you're allowed to lower your tax consequences and provide yourself some guaranteed income in the process.